Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel in our series of staying safe on Windows 10, 11, and once again, these apply to every system, every computer system that you might be using, any operating system. The rules are all the same for everybody, be it Linux, Mac, Windows. So you can apply these, of course. The other thing about safety, staying safe on your computer and staying safe in Windows, also has to do with email. Actually, email is still, as of today, the number one way people get malware on their computers. Now, you'll have an online safety side with email because there could be a phishing attempt. What's a phishing attempt? Phishing attempt means that somebody is trying to pass for some official website. So, for example, it could be a fake bank page. It looks exactly like the bank that you actually are connected to. And what happens is that bank page is actually trying to lure you into giving personal information that is going to get you in trouble. So that's one of the first things, whether it's a bank, whether it's any types of accounts. It could be a phishing attempt by telling you, oh, well, Facebook detected illegal activity. Click here to fix this. Never, never, never click a link like that in your emails, because that will, of course, get you in trouble. And when you see any link that asks you for a password or a lot of personal details, you just stop and you just delete that and do not enter any info. And when you're in doubt, contact whoever or go check whatever website. Your bank, you think it's the bank, call your bank or go and check your own bank account. When you go online to your bank account or any accounts, it will actually tell you when you go in with the regular procedure that you use all the time if something's wrong. If they say nothing, nothing's wrong. So these are phishing attempts, and these are online attempts. So it's not a security hazard for your PC itself. It's a security hazard for your accounts, and that could be dangerous. Now, for Windows and for your devices themselves, what is the number one way of getting any malware? Well, of course, they all reside in one simple thing. Anything that is a attachment. Email attachments are popular. A lot of people send email attachments of all sorts. Do not click or download any email attachments unless you are sure and you know they come from, a proper source and that they are legitimate things that you are actually waiting for. So even if it's your best friend, if there's an email, an attachment that you're not supposed to have, or that person never sends any attachments, then start being suspicious. Remember that your best friend could be infected. And what the infection is going to do, it's going to actually want to send that attachment to everybody in the list of people that person contacts all the time. That includes you. Attachments of all sorts can happen also. One of the very popular ones is a company, like, for example, any shipping company, UPS, Purolator, UPS, USPS, the U.S. Postal Service, and so on. Unless you specifically asked for something. One of the popular ways of getting infected with malware is with an attachment. They're going to say, oh, by the way, this is UPS. We have a package and you owe us $250 to pick it up. Click the invoice. Well, do not do that. That is a way of having you click on something, execute something that's going to infect your machine. So even though today's email protections are quite good, the hackers, the bad guys, they have all sorts of tricky ways of sending it again and again and again to avoid detection. So email is to really, really be careful. Don't click any attachments. Don't go on any links. Just keep email to the strict minimum of sending messages to someone or replying to someone, and that's it. Because links are very tricky and very dangerous and can lure you, of course, into a bad situation. So that's for online accounts. But for your security on Windows and any device, the attachments are the worst. Don't click any attachments unless you're really, really sure that person actually sent it to you. Ask them, did you send me an attachment before opening it? If they say, oh yeah, I sent you an attachment of this, then it's okay. But if they say, I didn't send you nothing, be suspicious. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.